All set now, ready to race. Maro, Daisy 7, trophy race number 9. Santana Park, and the race is on. Manila's Gem, Madam Teresa. From the outside, Makisig, Gawang Pinoy. Grace Park Boy, Jungle Jingle, Extraordinary. Madam Teresa, followed by Grace Park Boy, Jungle Jingle. Manila's Gem, racing on the outside is Gawang Pinoy. Under further outside is Makisig, Extraordinary. Down on the inside, Joshua's Laughter, John's Memory, Chichi's Eyes. And inside the last 800, Madam Teresa. Manila's Gem in second, Gawang Pinoy, Makisig, Extraordinary, Jungle Jingle, Grace Park Boy. Another far turn, Gawang Pinoy, Makisig, Extraordinary. Manila's Gem in between runners, Madam Teresa, Jungle Jingle. Racing towards the final turn, Gawang Pinoy in between runners, Extraordinary. Manila's Gem in between runners, Makisig on the further outside, Extraordinary by about 2 lengths. Gawang Pinoy in second, Manila's Gem down on the inside, Makisig, Grace Park Boy, and Joshua's Laughter. And nearing the finish line, number 3, Extraordinary, Gawang Pinoy, Joshua's Laughter, Manila's Gem, Makisig, and Chichi's Eyes for your Super 6.